Another day out with the animals. I think this one's Dusty. And of course the duck's over there playing. One of our Sussex. I'm not really sure if this is Zoe or Chloe, but we have two Sussexes. I named one Zoe and one Chloe. And Oppie is just, he's having a lot of fun out there by himself. I'm trying to keep a close eye on him because I don't want the chickens kind of attacking him because he is new. And he's just kind of roaming around. Which he does look like his dad, so I'm not sure how the other chickens, or how long it's going to take for the other chickens to adapt to him. Will they think he is the previous rooster, or does he have a different smell? I'm not sure how that works. The ducks are like, stay away from us. I have no idea who you are. But I think he's just checking things out right now. And he's got some followers trying to see and check him out. So they see a rooster roaming around. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep an eye on him because these other chickens don't know him that well. He's jumped out of his pen before, and the other chickens were like pecking him really hard, and I'm just trying to make sure he's going to be alright. There's, I believe, Olivia, one of our olive eggers. Yes, it is a female. She's got a big comb though. Everybody thinks that she's a male. I think females can have big combs too. What are you doing, baby? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? You trying to find some women's to get with? Some chicken women's? Where you going, Oppie? What you doing, baby? What you doing? Oppie having the time of his life. Oh my goodness, this crow is so precious. He says, hi girls. Oppie. What you doing, baby? Oh, there's a chicken fixing to get after him. Okay, the ducks are having the time of their life. They already got that pool all muddy. We just put clean water in it a few minutes ago, and there's Oppie again. Hi, baby. What you doing? Where you going? Looks like the ducks are traveling from the magnolia tree all the way back over here. Ducks in a straight line. The ducks are traveling in a straight line. I guess we got ducks in a row. Oh, there's Chase watching them. Look at them go. Hi, hero. I hear my baby. Hero, where is he at, baby? I don't think I can find him. I hear him. Girl, get out of the chicken thing. Oh, there he is. There's Oppie. I forgot to add that it is really pretty today. Beautiful sky. Beautiful scenery. Just everything is just gorgeous out here. One thing that I love about summer, but other than the heat, I said everything is just wow. The ducks are back at the pond. There's my baby. But anyways, guys, I think that this is going to conclude our video for today. I'm glad y'all enjoyed the animals. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you could keep up every time I post a new video. Thank y'all, guys.